outsource content writing in India. The emergence of the internet has led through the entire sphere of activities, whether they are business ventures, public services, government departments, or publications. Each and every business, whether commercial or private, has a website to represent them, which propagates its individual sphere of activity. This has made easy for the visitors to get the information they are craving without wasting any time and at the minimum of cost. But ironically, having a website does not serve the purpose. The website's content must be updated, informative, and should be attractive enough to attract more and more customers. This is when content writing comes into picture. Web content writing, popularly known as content writing, is the most important task which should be given the utmost attention. Thus, it is essential for the content writer to make the article as informative and reliable as possible. Content writing should be very engrossing so that at the very first glimpse the viewer is attracted towards it and he is kept glued to the article. Thus, content writing should be done specifically for the target audience, and it is wise to this research beforehand. Apart from that, the content should not be long-winded, as majority of the web viewers don't have the patience to read lengthy articles with repetitive content. Henceforth, it should be able to convey the information precisely and briefly. Web content writing should be very alluring, as there are so many other web pages that are just a click away. So having an informative content or article becomes very important. In recent years, it has been witnessed that companies from all over the world are finding India to be the hub of top-quality content writing and web content writing solutions. The reason is the cost-effective work with excellently written piece. Majority of Indian content writers are famous for their high-class content writing skills, and it won't be wrong to say that English language has been given a completely new horizon by them. Majority of the content writing work is outsourced to India because Indian content writers possess superb writing and search engine optimization abilities, along with the desired experience. Herein, you'll receive the content written by the best content writers who are extremely adroit in the English language and also have a flair for writing, which is entrenched in their blood, even though English is not their mother tongue. Seeing this outbreak, content writing services have grown significantly in India in the past few years. Hence, now you can find content writers, professionals, and freelancers in the field who have given certain boost to this industry.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by All Super Info. All rights reserved.